Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. Holiday cards are rife with danger. Well, at least rife with potential for eye rolling. Of course, there's the formulaic pre-printed card with a quickly scrawled, just personal enough inscription such as, "Have a wonderful holiday season. Hope to see you soon." Of course, the dates are left unproposed. That's too likely a card to make the recipient feel not cared about, like one of those people that get left on the Christmas list because the giver hasn't had a chance to purge the list yet. Then there's the holiday letter with details and photos of a preternaturally happy family that's designed to impress, like many Facebook profiles that just makes you feel inferior. There's the converse, the holiday letter that tries too hard to be humble in the spirit of the season. That can evoke feelings of guilt. Am I too willful? Or more likely, it'll just yield eye roll. Of course, either of the previous, the self-aggrandizing or the self-effacing, can additionally roll your eyes if it's a tome, which would make it likely to be deleted or go into recycling before you even reach the end. Then there is the card that's perfectly reasonable but perfectly forgettable amid the blizzard of other cards. Finally, in our era of easy offense, there is the religious card, sopping with creches, cross-evoking stars, and a donkey, with no religion being the fastest growing religion according to the Pew Center for the Study of Religion. It may be wise to save faith-heavy cards for your true believers. What's a person to do? Maybe one or more of the following will help. Replace a bit, at least, of your holiday letters reportage, especially that which could seem self-aggrandizing and inferiority engendering, with a year-end musing or two. Possible themes: family, Christmas, COVID, the coming new year, whatever. Well, here's just one example. Christmas is supposed to encourage gratitude. Well, although COVID obviously sucks, one of its silver linings is that it can make us feel more grateful for every healthy day. In any event, do keep your holiday letter short. Remember, your letter is probably just one of many that people have to wade through. Yes, less is more. Say what's important and maybe funny. Attach something that'll make the recipient feel cared about. Even if you're sending a printed card, here is some things you can stick in without it even costing extra postage. Veggie seeds, a photo you've taken, a pressed wildflower from near your home, an origami crane. Sure, it's easier if everyone gets the same thing, but it mightn't take much more effort to choose something you think that the recipient would feel good about getting. For example, seeds for your gardener recipients, a photo that you sense might move a particular recipient. More ambitious? How about using your webcam to read aloud your favorite holiday story or perform your favorite holiday song and upload it to YouTube and include the link? I got more ambitious this year. As you will look at my channel, I just performed a 15-minute piano concert of Christmas music. I included the link in my holiday e-card that I'm just now sending out. Finally, it's little or no extra work to put an especially beautiful holiday stamp on mailed cards. I reviewed dozens of them and was blown away by the set that the U.S. Postal Service released in 2020. They're just beautiful, and they're appropriate to people of all faiths or no faith. The stamps are no longer available at the post office, but are at a small premium on eBay. Just search on the term Winter Scenes Stamps. For many people, 2021 has been an unusually stressful year because of COVID, having difficulty getting access to health care, the increased political polarization, and because many people are struggling financially. Done right, though, year-end can be restorative, and part of that is the way we send holiday cards. I'm hoping that one of this little talk's ideas will, without undue effort, enable you to make your holiday cards a source of a bit, at least, of, as the song says, comfort and joy. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I'm Marty Nemko. I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.